Okay, family, this is Willie Souper Seward, and of course, my close friends call me Soup. I am here today to share a little bit about how you can use Screencast-O-Matic to make your own videos, make some of your teammates' videos your own, and all the different types of tools that are available. If you can go and click on tools, there are things in here dealing with the volume, the transition from one to another, the speed, the sound, to replace certain things, the overlays that you can do. All of these types of things are available to you. You can narrate using your voice or your face and your voice. You can insert existing recordings that are already recorded or make a new one right from wherever you want. You can do hiding of the cursor, the video, the webcam. You can copy them. You can cut pieces out of it. And some of these I did on this video, but let's play it and let you see for yourself. Okay, like I said, I'm going to do a video using Screencast-O-Matic, and then at the end, time permitting, we'll do some editing and some other things to show you some of the real good things that you can use when you're wanting to start doing your own videos, when you're ready to use some of the videos of some of your teammates and make them your own.
Welcome to Screencast-O-Matic, a fast, free, and easy-to-use screen and webcam recorder used by millions worldwide. Let's get started. Click here to start recording and then launch the recorder. If it's your first time, you will be prompted to download and install the software. Once installed, it's just one click to launch. You can record the screen, webcam, or both. You can record as many videos as you want, up to 15 minutes long. Upgrade to our video editor and get unlimited recording times. Drag or resize the frame to record any part of your screen. Or choose pre-selects such as standard HD sizes and full screen. With the webcam selected, you can drag and resize the webcam frame within the recording area. You can choose your microphone to narrate your video. Now hit record, and all the action inside the frame will be captured. Pause, resume, preview, or restart any of your recordings. Click Done, and easily trim the start and end of your video. Then add royalty-free music to excite your audience. It's that simple. You can save your video file to your desktop, post it on Screencast-O-Matic.com, or publish directly to YouTube. When you upgrade, you get more uploading options. After your video is uploaded, get a link to copy or use quick share buttons to easily share to Facebook and Twitter. For those who want more out of Screencast-O-Matic, Video Editor gives access to tools that allow you to zoom, add text and images, animate overlays, blur sections, and much more. Join in on the fun. Create, share, and experience video with Screencast-O-Matic.
Okay, that is the short video that I think says so much about what you can do and how you can do it. So let's pause for a moment and go in and actually do some editing.
Wow. All right, so I have turned on editing sharing permissions, and he's going to be kind enough today to show us how he makes the videos that he makes. All right. Thank you, everybody, for taking time out of your day to come watch this video by me, Lucretia, with the One Stop Business Shop. I'm coming to you with another 5-minute or less video. Today, we're going to be talking about I am Ncrease. By now, many of you have heard that this company is actually doing a merger. But the one thing that happens when companies merge together is that some of the key and important items from one of the companies gets lost. And I'm here to let you know that one of the things that drove me to this company is that it is a non-for-profit, has a non-for-profit structure where we donate to Charity Vision and we donate to Consider the Lily. So those are two things that I definitely stand behind. I want to make sure that any child that actually needs to have glasses or needs to have their vision restored has the opportunity to do that, because every time a visionary pack is purchased in this company, guess what? That helps to have a vision restoring surgery, right? 1 for 1. So every time that happens, and that's monthly. Also, a portion of what we pay goes to not only rescue girls, but it also goes to restore them from abuse and sex trafficking.
Okay, there you have it, teen family. I'm telling you, we have gone through some of the things and showed in video some of the things that we can do by using existing videos, starting a new one right at the same spot. All of these things that I read off to you can be done, and can be done having fun. So that is it for this time. Soup is done, so let's eat.